Alright, hello everybody, this is Michael Rulis. Call me Market Michael. Um, Coming at you with some breaking news pretty much. I called for a reversal sometime today, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen. We pretty much bounced off that 61% Fibonacci sequence that in last video I mentioned that I thought we were going to fail, but we ended up holding support there, which was pretty critical for the bulls. Now, what I'm expecting here is we're pretty much rallying in the S&P right now, and we are rallying uh, in the comp and in the Dow. Um, but you can't just be all sunshine and no rain. So you know, this move is getting almost overdone. Uh, I give it to the 7100 level. Um, rally to the I'm sorry, 7200 level in the comp. That's where we were the other day. Um, that's where I think we're gonna we might go to. This rally is insane. It's overdone. It's kind of crazy here. I'm just we're gonna look at shorter term charts here. Let's look at a 10-minute. We don't have that much time till the end of the day, so probably around 3 o'clock, I would say. Um, Probably around 3 o'clock is when this rally is gonna peak. See, right now we're popping through resistance, so expect this pop to continue. Um, but I'm gonna say I don't trust this rally. You know, if but that's the thing. If we go, if the Bulls win too much today, that could change. That could change the outlook of Monday. Um, so it's important for the Bulls to keep going today. That this is the Bulls' hope is that it keeps pushing, but it also keeps taking back. When the markets test support, it's critical, and it shows that the markets deserve to be there. So we've definitely tested support at that 68. Now we're breaking through, um, and I guess we're gonna rally a little bit more. Um, so end of day is gonna be the true test. We'll see what happens. Do we get support? We've had a double move today in the comp at least. We had a move in the morning, no negative MACD at all, and then another move higher. But we had a divergence here. The histogram is less than the morning rally. And the same thing goes for all Nasdaq and Dow. Yeah. Oh, sorry. S&P and Dow. Um, we've had this divergence. We're overbought now. Um, that's not really diverging. That's kind of accurate because now we're more overbought than we were in the morning. Um, so what's this really mean? I'll tell you. What we're looking for. We're looking for a little move higher. My guess would be around 150. We're gonna explode till in the comp. If we go to 200, if 7,200, we're looking for that's major resistance there. Right now, all three indices are overbought, and they're all over support, except for S&P. So this could indicate finally a move down, which I was looking for. Um, as fast as these markets go up, they're gonna come down. We're up 160 points on the comp. Um, that's kind of a crazy good day for the comp. Tech's up big. Not that big, but from the lows, kinda. We got Amazon bouncing off the 61% fib at 1,365. at the low. Um, Going for right now, it's 1451. So almost 100-point gain. That's pretty good. We got Apple here. Apple moves a lot. If you're a day trader or someone who likes to swing trade, um, Apple's a stock you guys should be looking at. Buy it on the lows, sell it on the highs, make a quick profit. Nvidia it has been showing the similar strength to Apple here. Extremely powerful. Um, and Facebook has did not want to lose any strength. It is now overbought before the 61% fib, so Facebook is looking for a come down. Now look at everything is coming down here. And I guess now we're going to test the support. We didn't get much above, we didn't get to that 7,150 level. We just broke above 7,100. S&P still got a bright green on the MACD histo. So we're just gonna have to wait and see. I don't think this. We're just gonna have to see. You know, I didn't put any money on the table today. It's too risky. It can go either way. You know, yesterday's action showed there was support, so there was no need to test that support today. We tested the 61%, and it just rocked it. It had support. I initially thought, if you watch the video sounds more bullish than bearish, and then when it was testing support, I said, oh, this looks ugly, and I thought it was going to fail it, but we ended up having a lot of bullish sentiment and a continuation. Right now, this looks like we're still fighting. We could still go higher. But we're overbought. The breaking news today is that stocks outperform what I had thought. And that sets up for a challenging end of day. We're gonna see if this transitions into a bear movement, because there was no real bear movement today. Let's go ahead and look on a 30-minute, and we'll see that if we start to see some bad candles right now and some loss of momentum, you know, this is easily gonna trigger this move to be done. And we didn't even get close to this Monday high. But I want to make a point that into the close we rallied, and it wasn't until we really started failing below resistance, when we had a shift in the MACD histo from light green to dark green. Dark green means less strength. So we're blasting off here into the highs. You know, I don't think this is sustainable. What could happen is continuation of this spike, or a back down of the spike. We could finish strong into close, or we could back off into close. If we back off into close, we're looking at possibly a bad day Monday. But right now, stocks have seemed to just be on a bullish outbreak. If that is the case, then we are in for a good week ahead of us. Big strong week. That means trading should be good, but I just can't see it happening. I think the markets are toast. I think we're in a recession, and we just don't know it yet. You know, stay good out there, guys. Thanks for watching. please hit like and subscribe. Um, you know, we got the dollar index falling a little bit. Looks like it's gonna break support. Um, we got tech rising, and it's a waiting game to see where the cracks show. If support holds at these high levels and this move just continues, which it definitely could. There's no doubt about it. Just depends when the Bears want to take over. All right, well that's it for now. Thank you very much, and I'll make a video after post market. Thank you. Take care, guys.